Poco F3 GT. So yeah, this mobile comes with a 6.67 inches of bigger display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate, 1 billion color supported OLED display, and it is a display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And when we talk about the processor, this is the main highlight thing in this mobile, that this mobile comes with the latest Dimensity 1200 5G processor, and it is a 6 nanometer based octa-core processor capable of gaming. When we talk about the 5G, this mobile might come up with just 3 bands of 5G in India, and this mobile will be available in 3 variants. Those are 6GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 128, and also the 12GB RAM 256GB variant. So this mobile also comes with a great camera system at the back side. We will find 3 cameras in this mobile. By the way, this mobile comes with a triple cameras. First one is this subscribe button, so subscribe to the channel, and now let's move on to the actual cameras. First, this mobile comes with a 64 megapixels of main wide angle camera, and also a 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide and 2 megapixels of macro. This mobile can shoot up to 4K 60 fps, and it also comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, shoots up to full HD 60 fps. And when we talk about the battery, it does comes with a bigger battery, that is 5065 milliamp hours of battery. What's the biggest thing about this mobile is it supports 67 watts of fast charge, and it also comes with a 67 watts fast charger in the box with this mobile. So, and one more important thing about this mobile, that this mobile comes with a glass back, glass front, and metal frame or polycarbonate frame in this mobile. And this mobile will also be available in 3 colors. Those are gray, black, and white colors. And this mobile also comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. I don't know why, but yeah, it comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It doesn't have a 3.5mm jack. It has stereo speakers, and this mobile comes with a UFS 3.1 storage and LPDDR4X RAM types. And this mobile also comes with a Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth 5.1 features, not 5.2. So yeah, in terms of looking the features, this mobile looks very promising. So finally, the release date of this mobile will be around 27th of July, so the next month, and it will definitely comes to India. So in China, this mobile was released with the name of Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G. Yes. And when we talk about the price details, this mobile might come up with a price range of 30,000 rupees to 32,000 rupees. So yeah, if you want to watch more videos, I have given the links to my videos in the description box below that like button. And if you want to watch more interesting videos, I will leave every card here in this icon section, so you can watch more from there and support the channel by subscribing.